Gabi here from Sound Garage Tales, demoing you the Epiphone Valve Junior I just got from Musician's Friend, out of the box, just to have a reference in tone for later, so that we can compare it with the newly modded, Epiphone Valve Junior. So as we go on, as we do the mods, I'm going to take a, I'm going to record the how the tone changes with that. So here it is, the Epiphone Valve Junior out of the box, how it sounds with a Telecaster, volume on 12 o'clock. Muddy to me. It's funny that with a Telecaster supposed to be bright, supposed to be, wide open, presence in your face, it really sounds like as if I have a wet towel on my speaker cabinet. The speaker I have here, it's an all nickel blue Celestion. Broken in, it sounds perfectly fine, but darn, this tone is muddy. Okay, I'll try it up to 3 o'clock on the volume dial. Nice tube overdrive, but not what we want, not what we like. It's like a tone in search of an identity. It's really there, but it doesn't know what to do. It doesn't have an edge to it. Wow. So that's the Epiphone Valve Junior out of the box, unmodded. We'll use this tone for later reference as we start modding it and making it a real tone sound machine. All right, see you soon. Stay tuned.